Good morning. I have a 2018 Toyota Tundra that has the sensor in the front that works when you're got cruise control and helps you maintain your speed on a long trip. Slows you down if you get too close to somebody, paces with them, so forth. If they get out of the way, then it speeds back up. Well, like a lot of headlights do, it has set out in the sun, so it's got that haze and it just kind of looks bad to me. I ran across a product at a gun show that a guy was selling that he said would fix this sort of thing. It's this right here. So I'm going to give it a try and see if it fixes it. So let's give it a shot. It says to first apply it, little of it with your finger. And then use a pad or something to buff it in with. All right, that actually looks a lot better. All right, if you found this informative, please like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you the same content. See you out there.